The truth about trading small accounts. What's up, guys? It's your man Tricky T, and I'm an artist trading forex to fund my music. And the goal for this year is $100,000. That's right. Come with me on this journey. If you're new here, like, comment, subscribe. It does wonders a lot for the channel. Thank you. You are far too kind. Now, all the small account holders, let us all gather here. Yes. I'm a small account trader myself. All right. So now, here's the thing. Like, if you're trading a small account and a large account, there are differences, right? And that's because, to be fair and to be honest, there's some certain things some certain risks you will not take with a very large account that you can take with a small account. How do I put it? Did that come out right? How do I put this? Okay, this is how it works. Small accounts means you can only make small profits if you want to trade following the rules of trading, right? You understand how trading, when you want to take a trade, you shouldn't risk more than 3% of your total capital. Some people will say don't risk more than 1% or 2% max. Those are like basic trading rules, and that makes sense when you're trading like a $10,000 account. You know that you risk 3% or 1%, but when you are making, maybe if you have maybe a risk to reward ratio of 3 to 1, you know that you're risking maybe $300 to make $1,000. You get that, right? That's basic. So you know that based on your account size, the amount of money you make would make sense. But if you have like a $20 account, a $50 account, a $30 account, if you are not trading to just get experience, if you are trading and you want to really grow your capital, the truth is that you're going to have to like take some certain risks that can end the account. Now, this is just me being honest. If you want to, get something that make money that will, motivate you to, keep trading or to make money to do something reasonable. For example, if you're trading with $10 and you're risking maybe 30 cents or $1, you can add to make maybe $1, or $2. The money will not have so much value. You understand? But if you're trading $10 and you want to make like another $10, you want to make another $20, like you want to like almost double your account, it means that you're going to like take, bigger risks. And then ideally, in my opinion, or what I heard from somebody I respect so much, say you need to be risking like 25% or 30% of your account, right? So that means if you maybe are trading a small account of like maybe $50 or $100, if you want to make something substantial, you're going to be risking like maybe $25. So that simply means that you have just like 4 chances to trade and make profits. If you lose those 4 trades, goodbye to your account. And that's the thing about trading small accounts. Small accounts, if you want to make profits that are reasonable, it means you're going to take greater or higher risks. That's the truth, right? I don't know if anybody says this, but I'm saying it here because if you are trading $50 and then you're making $2, $1, $3, the money might not really have much use to you, but if you want to now make $10 from $50, it means that you're going to have to like increase your risk, or except maybe you are now having a risk to reward ratio of 13 to 1 or 15 to 1, except I look for this kind of setups, then maybe that can work. But in short, trading small accounts, if you want to make something substantial out of them, they come with bigger risks. And that's why the guys that flip accounts, you find out that they could flip $10 to $2,000. Those guys are really good at it. But if you ask them to tell you the truth, they are leveraging the whole $10. They can lose it. If one trade goes against them, the money is gone, right? That's just the thing about trading small accounts. So you need to understand this before you jump into trading small accounts. So you know that, okay, am I risking everything in the account to make something huge, or am I just trading small to gain experience, to master my strategy? That's basically the truth about small accounts. But in closing, that's the truth. Small accounts can actually change your life if you know how to trade them and you have balls of steel. You have the testicular fortitude to do them. Hope you found value from this video. Anyway, thank you for watching. If you're new here, like, comment, subscribe, and until I come your way again, see you guys on the other side of making money through Forex. Peace out, peace out, peace out.